Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I am back with a card that we're going to make today. And I was just looking to see if I could find, it's going to be a shaker card, and everything's falling down. I've got my little, I've got more than this actually, but I think I'm going to use this one. I was just looking for what I wanted to use as a shaker, because we're going to do a shaker card today, which is like my new jam. Because I just think shakers are so fun. But I'm using, this is from This Calls for Confetti. It's called Old Glory. I'm also using an old Doodlebug 4th of July paper pad, which I cannot find. I think I put it away. I put it away, so I hid it from myself, basically. And then I'm using Crater Pops, which is from Not Too Shabby. It was the June, I think June, stamp and die of the month. And it was an adorable one, and I have used it lots of different ways and different colorways I've used it. So, and I'm going to use it. So if it's not up yet, it will be up. Then I'm using, I use this all the time. It is from Whimsy Stamps. It's a Slimline card, and it cuts this front, and it makes these wonky, I think it's called wonky windows. And so I struggle to get, you know, when I do them on camera, to get my pieces in the back filled in, because I just do. It's hard to do on camera and make sure it's all lined up. So I just did that off camera. And so it is a Slimline card, and I went ahead and I put my what do you call this, foam tape here, so it's all ready to go. And I could do different colors in the different windows because I do have them marked off that way, but I don't know that I'm going to do that. I mean, I could, because when I think about it, I've got this like red, and then I've got let's see, do I have a darker blue than that? I do have this I have this like lighter blue, and then I have like this white. So I could, if I wanted to, do something different, but I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking that maybe I would just go ahead and just do this one, because, you know, I mean, you can't really use the red, white, and blue too often. I mean, this one looks very 4th of July, you know, and so if you are not from the U.S., 4th of July will be a weird sort of concept. But, you know, and a lot of places where I live don't allow you to do, what the heck, don't allow you to do fireworks. I don't know what the deal is with this. I know I've used this before, so I don't know. Don't allow you to do fireworks. But I happen to live in a city that does, so I usually host the 4th of July at my house. I'm just going to cut this because it's just driving me crazy. I host the 4th of July, and I have for a couple of years now. My sister used to do it at her house where she lived before, because we live in California, so it's kind of hit or miss when you can like do fireworks. I mean, people do illegals, but you can do fireworks. And so she used to do it, and where her neighborhood was, it's a huge neighborhood, and they have a huge block party. They block it off, and it's just, they have water slides, and they have this like train that goes around. It was pretty cool. But then she moved, so that, because her kids had a permit to go to school when my kids go to school, and so her daughter couldn't get into kindergarten. So we're like, so she ended up selling the house and moving. And she lived close to me, but now she lives really close to me. And so my brother lives even closer. So anyway, they all come to my house now because I'm the one who does fireworks. But my street's very small. I live in a very kind of, it's only one street. Okay, there we go. And so I'm going to kind of hold this down because I used kind of a thicker cardstock. So it's a little bit, okay, that's a lot. Let's see if we can kind of make it work here. And there's that, and then going to have some of them falling around, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, so then let's see here. And all right, and I got it, and it's down. And I'm pressing it down really, really well because I don't want those suckers to, you can see how well it shakes, right? So I think it's adorable. This one right here is like, got a clump. All right, so very cute, right? And so then I've got my, my little pops. So I've got to decide. So you can see that I colored them up all kind of red, white, and blue. So anything is popsicle, maybe at the top, maybe right here. And I don't want it to be like too far over the edge because I want to be able to put it into a regular envelope. So that's it. And then I decided not to prop these up because it's already pretty, you know, up because of the foam. And so I didn't want more dimension than I think what could be handled, I guess. And so I'm using some glue. This glue is from My Favorite Things. Usually whenever I shop, I just buy, I look and see what kind of glue they have, and I buy extra glue. So I always try to have some on hand. And okay. And I've got this on foam, so I'll take that off. And there we go. Isn't that cute? And I just colored this in with my Copics, and I don't know when this is going to post, but I am going to be doing a video, or I have a video, I don't know which one it is because I don't know when I'm going to post this, that I talk about tips for card making. And one of the tips is that white is not white. And so how to color white, we talk a little bit about that, how I cover up mistakes, and how to make sort of simple coloring kind of pop. And so I'm not an expert in any way, but I definitely have used some of these tips to kind of improve some of my card making. So anyway, be looking for that. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.